Migrating your website to a new hosting provider might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With a little planning and this step-by-step guide, you can make the transition smoothly. Whether you're looking for better performance, improved security, or simply a change of scenery, migrating your website can unlock a host of benefits. Think of it like moving to a new home. It takes some effort up front, but the end result is worth it. A new hosting provider can offer faster loading speeds, robust security features, and reliable uptime. Plus, you might find a plan that better suits your budget or offers features tailored to your specific needs. Let's dive into the steps involved and make this migration a success story. Before moving anything, it's crucial to have a safety net. Imagine packing up all your belongings without making an inventory chaos, right? That's why backing up your website data is the most important step. Your website data includes everything from content and images to design and functionality. Losing any of this data during migration could be a major setback. Luckily, creating a backup is easier than you might think. Most hosting providers offer built-in backup tools. You can also use plugins or software specifically designed for website backups. Look for options that allow you to create a complete backup, including your website files and database. Once you have a backup, store it securely in a different location than your current hosting account. A complete backup ensures that you can restore your website should anything unexpected happen during the migration. Now that your data is safe, it's time to find the perfect new home for your website. Choosing the right hosting provider is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your website's performance and security. Think of it like choosing a new apartment or house. You'd consider factors like location, size, amenities, and budget. Similarly, when selecting a hosting provider, you need to weigh various factors to find the best fit for your website's needs. Start by defining your requirements. What type of website do you have? How much traffic do you receive? Do you need any special features like e-commerce functionality or a content management system? Look for providers that offer reliable uptime, fast loading speeds, robust security features, and excellent customer support. Don't forget to consider the type of hosting you need, whether it's shared hosting, VPS hosting, or a dedicated server. Take your time, read reviews, and compare pricing plans before making your final decision. With your new hosting account set up, it's time to start moving your website's belongings. This involves transferring your website files and databases from your old hosting account to your new one. Think of it like packing boxes for your move. You'll need to gather all your website's files, including HTML documents, CSS style sheets, images, and videos. Most hosting providers offer tools or services that simplify the file transfer process. You can also use FTP client software to manually transfer files between your old and new hosting accounts. If you're comfortable with technical details, FTP gives you more control over the transfer process. Next, you'll need to migrate your website's database, which stores important information like user accounts and blog posts. Most hosting providers offer tools or instructions for database migration. Once you've transferred your files and database, double-check everything to ensure nothing is missing. Now that your website's files and databases have settled into their new home, it's time to make the big switch and point your domain name to your new hosting provider. This is where DNS, or domain name system settings, come into play. Think of DNS as the address book of the internet. When someone types your domain name into their web browser, DNS directs them to the correct server where your website is hosted. To point your domain to your new hosting provider, you'll need to update your DNS records. Your new hosting provider will provide you with the necessary DNS information, such as your name servers or IP address. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so be patient. Before announcing your move to the world, it's crucial to thoroughly test your website to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully migrated your website to a new hosting provider, but the journey doesn't end there. Just like moving into a new home requires some adjustments and upkeep, your website needs ongoing monitoring and aftercare to ensure everything runs smoothly. Keep a close eye on your website's performance in the days and weeks following the migration. Monitor your website's loading speed, uptime, and overall functionality. If you notice any issues, address them promptly. Regularly back up your website data on your new hosting account to ensure your hard work is protected. Familiarize yourself with your new hosting provider's control panel and support resources. By following these steps and providing your website with the care it deserves, you can ensure a smooth transition and enjoy the many benefits of your new hosting environment.